Did you know that bamboo, which we usually see being used for construction and furniture, is also turned into soft and comfortable clothing? Today, bamboo fabric is becoming increasingly popular around the world, and China is leading the industry. Most of the world's bamboo is found in Asia. China is known as the largest bamboo-producing country on Earth. In addition, India, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Thailand also grow huge amounts of bamboo. One fascinating fact is that bamboo is one of the fastest-growing plants in the world. Some species can grow about 1 to 1.5 feet in a single day. A bamboo plant is usually ready for harvesting when it reaches 3 to 5 years of age. At that stage, farmers cut and collect bamboo of specific sizes and quality. The harvested bamboo is then transported by trucks to large processing factories. Once the bamboo arrives at the factory, the first step is sorting. This is important because not all bamboo is of the same quality. Only bamboo that is strong, healthy, and free from disease is selected for the next stage. After that, the cutting process begins. Massive automated machines chop long bamboo stalks into small pieces. In many cases, bamboo that is several meters long is reduced to chips only a few centimeters in size. Modern machinery can process several tons of bamboo every hour. The bamboo chips are then sent to a washing unit, where powerful streams of water remove dirt, dust, sand, and other unwanted materials. After cleaning, the bamboo chips are stored in large storage systems. Then comes one of the most important stages of the entire process. Bamboo contains a natural substance called cellulose, and this cellulose must be separated because it is the key ingredient used to make textile fibers. To do this, the bamboo chips are transferred into huge reactor tanks. Through various industrial processes, the woody portions of the bamboo are broken down and the cellulose is extracted. This stage can take anywhere from several hours to several days. Gradually, the hard bamboo is transformed into a soft pulp that looks very similar to the pulp used in paper manufacturing. This pulp contains the valuable cellulose needed for the next step. Once the pulp is ready, it passes through multiple filtration systems. These filters remove unwanted particles and impurities, ensuring that the material is as pure as possible. The cellulose is then converted into a special thick and sticky liquid. Inside large stainless steel tanks, the mixture is constantly stirred to prevent it from hardening. Next comes the fiber-making stage. The liquid cellulose is forced through equipment containing thousands of tiny holes. As the liquid passes through these microscopic openings, it begins forming extremely fine fibers. The fibers then move through special chemical treatments where they become stronger and more durable. Afterward, they are thoroughly washed and sent to drying units. Once dried, the fibers look very similar to cotton. The fibers are then moved to the spinning section. Here, powerful spinning machines twist thousands of fine fibers together to create yarn. In a modern factory, several tons of yarn can be produced every day. The finished yarn is wound onto large reels and stored. It is then transported to textile factories, where automated looms weave thousands of threads together to create fabric. Even after the fabric is woven, the process is not yet complete. The fabric is washed and put through a variety of finishing treatments. These treatments make the material softer, more comfortable, and higher in quality. In many cases, the fabric is also dyed during this stage. After the coloring and finishing processes are completed, the fabric is dried and rolled into large bundles. Advanced inspection systems then check the fabric for defects. Any holes, stains, or weaving imperfections are identified before the material moves forward. Once approved, the fabric is sent to garment factories. There, designers create patterns for different types of clothing. Computer-controlled cutting machines cut the fabric into precise shapes. Different patterns are used for t-shirts, shirts, pants, and children's clothing. The cut pieces are then sent to sewing lines. Hundreds of skilled workers and modern sewing machines work together to assemble the final garments. Afterward, the clothing is pressed, folded, and packaged. Finally, The finished products are exported to countries around the world or delivered to retail stores. When a customer buys a bamboo t-shirt, they may never realize that the journey of that soft and comfortable fabric began with an ordinary bamboo plant. A material once known mainly for construction has now become an important part of the modern fashion industry, and bamboo-based clothing is now worn by millions of people around the world every day.